Hey, so if you're tired of manually scheduling meetings and going back and forth on timings, yeah, Google Calendar can actually automate a lot of that for you. In this guide, I'll show you how to schedule Google Calendar meetings automatically step by step. All right, first, open Google Calendar in your browser and make sure you're signed in. Now click on Create and select Appointment Schedule to start automating bookings. Set your available time slots so others can only book meetings when you're free. Choose how long meetings should be, like 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. Google Calendar will generate a booking link. Share this with clients or teammates. Turn on automatic confirmations so meetings get added instantly without manual approval. When someone books a meeting, it automatically appears in your Google Calendar and Gmail notifications. Google Calendar automatically prevents double bookings, so no two meetings overlap. Open your booking link and test it like a user to confirm everything is working properly. And yeah, that's it. Once set up, Google Calendar can automatically schedule your meetings and save you a lot of time.